Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Knuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Monday, March 3rd, start of a new month. Great month of February, finished strong, had a little bit of a pullback at the close on Friday, but still ended up being 1% higher across the board for the week. E-mini S&P up 1.25 points, 1.25% on the week last week. Finished at 1857.5, up 3.5. New all-time highs were made Friday at 1866.5 before that profit taking round in the last couple hours. The Dow futures up 35, 16,282. The highs were another 100 points higher at 16,388. The Dow led the way, up 1.75% for the week. The Nasdaq Tech shares got as high as 37.22.5, new 13-year highs, closed at 37.04, down 6 on a bit of a pullback. The Nasdaq was only up 1% on the week, the weakest of the majors. The dollar index, big move on Friday, down 59 points below the 80 level, 79.72. That pushed the euro currency up to 138.22, up 110. The euro only gained 57 on the week, but it did finish with at the record there for this contract at the highs in the euro currency. Bond market quiet, down 133.02. Crude oil was steady, up 20 cents at 102.60, hanging out at that 103 level. It was only up 40 cents on the week with kind of a range-bound action that we saw. And gold was down $10 on Friday, only down $2.50 for the week, settled at $13.22, still maintaining above the 1300 level. Well, after the record action on Friday, where do the markets stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we've got action overseas, obviously, happening with Russia and Crimea. We're down 21 in the E-mini S&P at 1836.5, so we're 1% lower here to start the morning. We're down 157 in the Dow futures, 16,150, and we're down 21 at 3654 in the Nasdaq as we stand right now. The dollar index is up a little bit, up 14 at 79.86. That's pushed the euro currency a little lower. 137.67, down 55. We're seeing some action, some safety action in the bond market. We're up 27, that's about 3/4 of a point there. 135.13 in the 30-year Treasury. That's pushed yields down to 3.54% in the 30-year and 2.6% in the 10-year note. Benefiting from this flight to safety here, I guess, or just this instability, this volatility, we've got crude oil up $2 right now at 104.80, up $2 and change. And we've got gold up $22 at 1344, approaching the highest point that we've seen since that double bottom that we saw months ago and that low in December. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're down 1% across the board, 1836 right now in the E-mini S&P, down 21, down 157 in the Dow futures at 16,150. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Knuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.